So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu. Now try to set for the ADP mobile app. So tap on it with your finger, then after that tap on app info. So after tapping on app info, tap on force stop, then tap on OK. So after tapping on force stop, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Now go back. So when you get back, tap on notification and make sure this show notification is turned on. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to get to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, or when you go to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for app ADP mobile solution. So when you get this app, what you have to do is to tap on update over here. So when you tap on update and this device is when it updates its own self by reinstalling, you are going to get the latest update. And after that, what you have to do is to restart your device. So you have to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.